Hello everyone, welcome to Pandas. As in the other two previous session, we learn about the plotting. We already go with the theoretical aspect how we have to use box plots, pie plots, and different plots. So today's session will be seeing some of the famous plots in directly in a Jupyter notebook, how it exactly look, how it's exactly work. So let's start with the first one, the basics one, the box plot. So first we have to import NumPy as well as pandas. So import NumPy 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 as np, as well as you want to import pandas as PD. So both we have to import it because for the all the plots we need this too. So we just import it first. Later wherever you want it, you can use it. No need to import how many times you want it. Now we are see that's now it's fully your wish. So if you want to read the data sets like .csv files, so suppose going with this, I'm just going with data equals to read like pd dot read dot csv pd dot, so pd dot read, because we are reading that particular file, read csv. So I'm just moving towards that which one we wanted, where we saved it. Just go back. So here we have a folder where we save the particular things. So the same thing we already discussed, that from where you can take it the particular files. So wherever we have to take. So you can observe the same where I am storing the file. So you have to store in the same purpose. So that you keep in the mind. Don't forget it. We already discussed this thing. So once again, I just repeat for you to remind it. Like the same file where you are doing the Jupyter notebook, the same where you can put it the same .csv file. So I just go with the properties. With the properties, I'm having that particular name. I just copied it, and let's move to the here where we are doing the .csv. So give this, and I just want to see first, then we'll do the plotting all. So print our data, and you can run. So you can run it, you will get this particular file .csv file. So this is my 1000 rows and 8 column. This is my real database. Now use this to the box plot to observe that how it will be look like in a box plot. So the data dot the plots, because we are using the plots, and we are going with the box, so box plot. So now you can run this. You can observe it like math score, reading score, writing score. This is my box plot because we have whatever we have here in the data set. It shows with a box plot. So this is how we are using a box plot. Let's move to see the same thing with the help of your area plots. So for the area plots, go with the data dot plot. Just go with the plot dot for the area method. So when you go with the area method, it will be showing in the area, because we have this three things: math score, reading score, writing. So it shows like this will be for this color. By default, this comes to us like color. And if you want to change it, you can go with the inside the parameter, you can change it. That will be discussing deeply this thing in a matplotlib when we discuss. For now, just understand how the area plots look, how to use it. So this is my area plots. Let's see the scatter. We told you the scatter plots look like the dots, right? So how you have to use the scatter plot. So just go with the data dot plot dot scatter method. Methods don't, so don't forget the method's name. And in a scatter plot, always it's taken the two because dots are there. So we are just giving the values. X equals to, we are having a math score. So math score as CORE, math score. And then we are having a Y. So Y equals to, I'm giving the another one, writing score. WRITING. That is from the our database. So that you keep in the mind, whatever you are using, that will be from the databases. So when you give that, this is my scatter seed dots wherever so this the is what a bar plots. I hope you are clear with the all plotting in levels. It's your wish, whatever the levels you want it with the help of the parameters, because scatter will take always the two things to give the scatter wise the dot wise. Now let's move to the pie plots, where we can do the like when you do want the pie. So the same database we are taking as data dot plot, data dot plot dot your pie plot, that is your pie, and here you can go with the subplot. So for the pie plot, we have to give the parameter as well, which one you wanted. Suppose I'm taking is this y equals to writing score. I'm just going the particular area. I'm just keeping that as well here and just run this. So it takes little bit time because it has lots of values to print it in a pie way. So wait for a while, it will be giving the pie view of this particular writing score. So that's your wish, what the scores you want to show. That you can go with the X values as well, the math score. You can go with the not only the math score, you can go with the reading score as well. So you can observe it is running. It takes little bit time because lots of file to be run. After this, we'll see the last one, that is a bar plot. If you the bar plot will be the normal one. So now you can observe it. This is our writing score one. So this is our the file inside that. So how many, we have 1,000 values, right? So it will be showing that many values to you. I'm just going the last. Yeah. So this is what your mainly the particular purpose. Now the last plot is bar. So data dot plot dot bar. So this is the bar plot. It's dot, yeah. So it takes time to run this a little bit. Data dot plot dot bar. So this is what a bar plot. I hope you are clear with the all plotting in a visualization.